Today I'm going to share my knowledge on data structure. So today I'm going to tell you like why data structures are important, why we should learn data structures, and what are the uses for data structure. So whatever you want to be, like a software developer or a data analyst or a data engineer, data structures are the fundamental units. You have to have a knowledge of data structures because wherever you apply for any company, they're going to ask about data structures and algorithms in their interview, and you should be prepared for that. So let's start with topic data structure. So what is meaning of data structures? As the name suggests, data structure, we are structuring a data. So what are the uses of data structures, right? Why we need data structures? I'm going to tell you in this video. So, storing a data in an organized manner that it can be accessed and updated efficiently. So let's take an example, right? You want to deliver something and you don't know the address. So it's going to be a tough job for you to deliver that thing. But suppose you have to deliver something and you have the address. Now it's so simple for you to deliver that thing. So this is the similar case with data structures. When you have a data in an organized manner, so what happens? It provides an easy way of organizing, retrieving, managing, and storing data. If you want a data of a particular thing, you can directly go to that address and you can take that thing. Suppose in a data there are names of a person with their jobs, right? If you wanna find out what this person exactly do, so the all the data is in organized manner. You can easily find out what this person do. This is how data structures can help us in finding the data without any problem. So data structures are basically divided into two parts. One is linear data structure, and another one is non-linear data structure. So what is linear data structure and what is non-linear data structure? So linear data structures are those data structures where we store the data in a sequential manner, but in non-linear data structures we store data uh, that are not in sequential manner. So linear data structures are of two types. One is static and the other one is dynamic. So static data structures are like in which we already give the fixed memory to that data structure, like array. We give it a fixed memory space, suppose like array of 45. So now we can store only 45 elements in this one. But what about dynamic? So dynamic data structures are queue, stack, linked list. So it's a FIFO, first in, first out. Whenever you are standing in a queue, what happens? If you first came, you'll get the ticket first and you'll leave first. So similarly in queue, it's the same that represents. Stack is like LIFO, last in, first out. Right? Suppose we have so many plates, one over another, one over another. So this is the first plate, right? But what happened whenever we come? We took this last plate that is at the top, right? So we took in this manner. So this is LIFO. Linked lists are, suppose we stored a data here. This is a data. Now we need some extra memory. So what happened? This part of this data, second part of this data, points to another part where we can store our data to. We don't have to provide a fixed memory for this one. This is linked list. we'll discuss about these topics in a detailed manner in the same playlist. So, what are non-linear data structures? Trees and graphs. So, what are trees? When we store data in a hierarchical way, in this way, in this order. Let me scroll it down for you guys. So, tree, data in a hierarchical order, right? Like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So like this, they have edges. So so as the name suggests, we use graphs and Google Maps, right? So all those cities are treated as edges. So specifically, we use Dijkstra algorithm for generally for finding out the shortest distance between one point to another points. We'll talk about these data structures in my upcoming videos. Thank you guys.